everyone, I am Aparna wishing you a happy Pongal. This festival is all about celebrating good times and fresh beginnings. And speaking of new beginnings, let's talk about how learning some cool stuff can make your career bloom. Just like Pongal celebrations. Pongal is like a big happy dance for farmer, right? They plant seeds, take care of them and then enjoy a bountiful harvest. Similarly, learning new things plants seeds for a successful career harvest. Why learn more stuff, you ask? Why learn more stuff, you ask? Well, imagine having super skills like using Python or understanding DevOps. It's like having extra tools in your superhero belt for your job. It may work easier and guess what? IntelliMindz is like your learning superhero. They are offering cool discounts on courses that teach you awesome skills. It's like a Pongal gift for your brain. Don't miss out. IntelliMindz Pongal offer is here for the short period. Grab it. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. IntelliMindz Pongal offer is here for a short time. Grab it. Learn cool things and make your career shine. Happy Pongal. Happy learning everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and stuff. See you next time. Bye.